Top 5 Must-Have Kitchen Gadgets. Introducing a selection of 5 essential kitchen gadgets available on Amazon in 2023. Our team of experts has meticulously handpicked these innovative devices, considering their exceptional functionality, user-friendliness, and impressive durability. Prepare to be amazed as we present to you some of the most cutting-edge and practical items you'll ever encounter. Make sure to subscribe to Smart Home Gadgets and continue watching to explore these remarkable 5 gadgets that are set to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Get ready for an exciting journey as we delve into the details of these remarkable devices. Buckle up and let's begin this thrilling adventure together. Number 5. Tomato Slicer. Prepare to revolutionize your kitchen experience with a range of game-changing gadgets that will forever transform how you approach slicing and dicing. If you've ever struggled with precision in the kitchen or feared for your finger safety, this $13 tomato slicer and lemon cutter is about to become your new best friend. While the product may initially appear deceiving, it's not designed to actually slice your fruits or veggies. Instead, it securely holds them in place, allowing you to effortlessly achieve those picture-perfect restaurant-quality slices without risking any finger-related mishaps. But the slicing and dicing magic doesn't stop there. For under $20, this food chopper is a true game changer when it comes to mincing, chopping, and handling ingredients like onions, garlic, and even almonds. With its simple yet ingenious design, this device allows you to achieve professional results with ease. Simply place your desired ingredient in the base, apply a few downward presses on the top, and let the rotating blades work their magic. No batteries, no complicated mechanics, just perfectly chopped and diced ingredients that would otherwise require immense skill and time with a knife. Gone are the days of tears streaming down your face while chopping onions or worrying about flying knives. This food chopper takes care of it all, delivering finely chopped onions and perfectly minced garlic without any cuts. Also, it is dishwasher friendly. Imagine effortlessly achieving culinary perfection, whether it's creating exquisite salads, infusing your favorite drinks with fruit, or tackling challenging ingredients like almonds. So why struggle with uneven cuts or put your fingers at risk when these ingenious gadgets can provide you with professional quality results? Number 4. 3-in-1 Egg Separator. On our list of must-have kitchen gadgets, we have something that will revolutionize your fast food breakfast game. An egg separator priced at a mere $6.95. Trust me, this gadget is a game changer. If you're curious to learn more and get your hands on it, check out the description box for a direct link. Now, let's talk about aim, specifically when it comes to cracking eggs and avoiding those annoying shell fragments in your omelets. This egg separator offers a variety of functionalities that will blow your mind. First and foremost, its serrated edge eliminates the needs for cracking eggs on a bowl or counter. No more messy mishaps or wasted eggs. It's a small yet impactful detail that adds convenience to your cooking routine. But that's not all. This gadget goes above and beyond by efficiently separating egg yolks from egg whites. Whether you're aiming for an egg white omelet or need to separate the whites from the yolks for baking purposes, this gadget has got you covered. Say goodbye to the tedious and time-consuming task of using your hands or traditional methods to achieve that separation. With just a simple pour, you'll have the perfect separation every time. And here's the cherry on top. The egg separator also acts as a shield, ensuring that no stray shell fragments find their way into your culinary creations. No more frustratingly picking out tiny pieces of shell from your batter or mixtures. This gadget is designed to catch those pesky shells, saving you time and maintaining the integrity of your dishes. What's truly ingenious about this product is how effortlessly it attaches to the side of a pan, bowl, or even a mixing bowl. It's a simple yet brilliant feature that allows for hands-free operation and keeps your workspace clean and organized. Get ready to elevate your breakfast and baking experiences with this remarkable egg separator. Its multifunctionality, ease of use, and clever design make it a must-have tool for any kitchen enthusiast. So, why settle for messy cracks and shell mishaps when you can achieve precise separation and flawless results from this ingenious gadget? Don't miss out on this game-changing addition to your culinary arsenal. We're halfway through the video. If you like it so far, then wait for the number 1 gadget on this list. Subscribe to Smart Home Gadgets and press the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Number 3. Glass Storage Jars. Now, let me introduce you to the next item on my list, and although it may be a little pricier than your typical dollar store find, trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Now, let's talk about these marvelous storage jars. First things first, the packaging was beyond impressive. I was pleasantly surprised to find the jars tightly nestled in foam, offering the utmost protection during transit. This attention to detail is not always guaranteed when it comes to Amazon deliveries, you know. Anyway, back to the jars themselves. They are absolutely perfect for storing various pantry staples. I filled one jar with spaghetti, neatly arranged the pasta elbows, yes, that's what those little curved pasta pieces are called, in another, and even borrowed some almonds from my mom for a previous demonstration, which found their new home in yet another jar. The possibilities are endless. This will cost you around $30. To ensure a harmonious and visually appealing pantry, you have the freedom to get as fancy as you desire with future labeling endeavors. But for now, the simplicity of the labels does wonders for enhancing organization. What's more, these glass storage jars, which come in a convenient set of 5, boast an airtight seal. That means that whether it's coffee grinds, baking supplies, cereal, or any other pantry essentials, these jars have got you covered. So, my dear listeners, if you're seeking a modern and efficient way to spruce up your pantry, I highly recommend this set of glass storage jars. Not only will they elevate the aesthetics of your shelves, but they'll also keep your food items fresh and organized. Say goodbye to chaotic pantries and say hello to Instagram-worthy storage solutions. Number 2. Ice Cube Tray. This item on the lineup is a truly patriotic twist on ice cubes, an innovative BPA-free silicone ice cube tray featuring a meticulously designed map of the United States. This unique tray allows you to create ice cubes in the shape of each individual state, resulting in beautifully formed, larger pieces of ice. It'll cost you around $10. But this product offers you more than just a fun and refreshing way to chill your beverages. It also serves as an excellent educational tool, particularly for families with younger kids. With this ice cube tray, children can learn about the geography of the United States in a playful and engaging manner. Imagine the delight on your child's face as they pour their favorite drink and carefully select an ice cube shaped like Texas on scorching hot days. They'll understand that leaning toward the Lone Star State will provide them with the perfect ice to keep their drink cool. It's a simple yet effective way to teach young minds about geography and weather patterns while enjoying a refreshing beverage. So, whether you're hosting a 4th of July celebration, a family gathering, or simply want to make everyday drinks more exciting, this BPA-free silicone ice cube tray featuring the United States map is the ideal choice. It combines functionality, entertainment, and education, making it a must-have addition to any household, especially for families with young children eager to explore the world around them. And number 1. Smart Toaster. This next item is a true luxury product, and while it may not be something I typically recommend buying, it has a unique appeal for toaster enthusiasts. If you're intrigued by this product, I suggest keeping an eye out for a sale, because without sale, this will cost you somewhere around $400. Now, let me introduce you to the incredible touchscreen toaster that takes toasting to a whole new level. In the demo we recorded about a month ago, we decided to freeze our bread as a way to save money, and you'll be amazed to see how this smart toaster effortlessly defrosts it. The toaster gets to work with a countdown timer, giving you complete control over your toasting preferences. Besides bread, this remarkable toaster can also handle waffles, bagels, Pop-Tarts, and more with exceptional precision. Whew! That's all for today. Did you like the gadgets in this video? Comment below. Subscribe to Smart Home Gadgets and press the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Thank you for watching, and if you found this intriguing, please consider giving it a thumbs up or sharing it with fellow Amazon shoppers.